In this video, I'll show you how to screenshot in laptop. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, this video is going to be a very short tutorial, right? So, this is our desktop background, and what you need to do, you need to click on this search box here, right? So, you'd come on here, type in the sniping tool. So, this is the sniping tool, the tool we use to take screenshots, right? So, click on it, wait for it to open. Once it has opened, you would drag it down, adjust it down, right? Switch from this is if you want to record, you're going to use this. If you want to take screenshots, you're going to use this. So click on this, right? Then click on this new tab. Once I've clicked on it, let's say I want to take screenshot of this selected area, right? So I'll drag it down. I'll leave my mouse. Once it has taken the screenshots, you can see it. This is the display of the screenshotted area. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.